How to download audio in WhatsApp? Follow this guide. To begin, open your WhatsApp app on your screen. Then navigate to the chat where the audio file you would like to save is located. Once you have found the audio, tap and hold on the file to bring up a menu. Moreover, tap on the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Next, from the menu that appears, choose Share. Here, look for the Google Drive in the list of available apps and click on it. At this stage, you will have the option to rename the file. After renaming the audio, hit Save to upload the file to your Google Drive. Now exit the WhatsApp and open your Google Drive app. In your Google Drive, locate the file you just uploaded. Furthermore, click on the three-dot icon next to the file name and choose Download. Once the download is complete, go to your file folder on your device. There you will find the audio file ready to be played. So this is how to download audio in WhatsApp.